Padilla.
Hi.
You can unmute yourself.
Okay. Oh, there it is. Hello.
Morning, Tina.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Board of Trustees, Executive Director, and everyone that's there this morning. My name is Tina Padilla. I'm a founding member of the Pension Advocacy Group, PAG. I'm here with a heart of teacher. I forgot my little heart that I made, but a heart of a teacher, so that I can share the mission of the Pension Advocacy Group in hopes that we will be a great resource and an ally. The Pension Advocacy Group is a grassroots group of concerned members of the Chicago Teacher Pension Fund, CTPF, who decided to be active pension contributors or members of the retirement system. Our mission, the mission of the Pension Advocacy Group, is to use the power of the CTPF members, research, organizing, education, and discussion to restore and protect the gold standard of retirement savings for our members, pensioners, and beneficiaries. Thank you for this opportunity to introduce our group and the mission and our intentions of being active participants to our savings plan, retirement savings plan. Thank you very much for the time.
Thank you, Tina. Thank you. Do we have any other public participants? That's it.